Hello friend, welcome back. This is the Golden Thumb. In this video, we'll talk about the array. Okay, let's get started. Array is a group, a bunch of elements, right, with the same type. VIM array.c. Okay. Yeah, we need to include standard IO header file. The main function return 0 to show everything is fine. If something bad happens, we'll return -1. Okay. So array, like most other programming languages, array looks simple. For example, int array. Int array. Okay, so arr, like that. We can define an array of that. So curly braces. Okay, curly braces. Say let's put some number there. 13, 7. I like prime numbers. So 19. Okay. So we can use array syntax to access the element of 13 and 7 and 19. So the first one, array sub 0, right? The index starts from 0 instead of 1. This one will show 13. Okay, don't forget this. I always forgot that. Okay. Quit. We have only a single file here. GCC to compile, right? And now we have a.out. We can run it. 13. Okay. Let's see the code. Yeah, so sub-0 is sub-0, right? ARR sub-0 is 13. Let's print out another one here. All right, another one, the second one, ARR sub 1. Okay, let's try it. Oh, by the way, if we can chain the command like that, gcc and oh, can we do that? And a.out. Can we do that? Let's see. GCC. I think I should double click. Yeah. So this is the end. This is like running in the background. So it created a progress here. So AUX. Let's see if we have that. I think we can kill that. Failed. No such process. Yeah, it's already gone. So that don't worry about that. So to change the command we use, right? Ampersand. It's an and, right? It sounds like an and. Okay, let's try it again. Compile, then run it, right? Yeah. So let's see the code. So we print out the first and the second elements of this array. Now, very important in this video, because ARR is actually a pointer pointing to the first element, very important, of the array AR. Okay, AR, the name, this one is actually a pointer. Let's see what I mean. Okay, for example, we can define the pointer, right? int pointer ptr equals, we can assign this one to it, right? And let's try I just make a copy of that. Let's try using a different way to access the elements. So the first one is, right, okay, this one is, right, dereference ptr. It means we want to get the content of the pointer. This point pointing, right, this point points to the first element of that. Okay, so what about the second one? We can use dw to delete a word, dw to delete a word. Okay, and so star ptr point one. Okay, this means this is, right, pointer. Pointer one is still a pointer pointing to the next element here. This guy. Okay. Now let's give it a try. Compile and run. Yeah, exactly same, right? Now let's play more. Okay, now early on I said, right, this is actually a pointer. Can we use the pointer syntax to do that? What about if we just use this one, AR here? Does it work? Let's see. So we treat the array name as a pointer. Does it compile? Or let's clean up. Okay, let's. Wow, you see, it compiles without any complaint from the compiler. Now you see, right, the AR is exactly same as this guy. So AR is a pointer, remember, right? That's very special. If the big taking away, right, takeaway is this one of this video is this guy is actually a pointer, like with that type, and we can use the array syntax to access the elements using that. Before the end of this video, let's try to write a for loop, right? To print out less than 3 and I plus plus. So okay, dd dd. Okay, and let's add the closing curly braces. Now let's print 1 each time. Actually we undo. Okay, delete that. We need to replace this one R with I, right? Or yeah, we can just use the, otherwise it doesn't show up, right? PTR pointer. Let's use this guy, this pointer variable. Okay, now let's run it. 13, yeah, that shows the code here, right? 13, 7, and 19, a for loop, right? So this is the using the pointer syntax to access the elements of an array. Okay, recap. Pointer has that type, right? It can point to any integer, and this guy is a pointer, even though we define it as an int array, like that. Behind the scene, this guy is just this one. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next